Hi, let's create a layered heart artwork that you can keep as a reminder of God's love for you or to give to someone else. First, you're going to need various colors of paper. Now, you can use scrapbook paper, construction paper, or you can paint your own. I used mixed media paper, and then I just painted each page with watercolor. Once you have your colors, you're going to need to line them up in the order that you like the best. I also painted a piece of paper gold and then covered it with gold glitter because, well, I'm a little extra sometimes. Next, you need to decide which piece of paper or color will be your background. So my first heart that will be the layer in the back, I think it'll be yellow. And I'm going to make it as big as the blue paper in the background will allow. If you flip your paper on the back side of your paper, you have a little more freedom and it won't show pencil marks or pen marks on the colored side. Once you have your first heart, you're going to grab the color for your next heart that you're going to layer on top of that one. The next heart will be smaller than the first one that you started with. So my green, I'm going to draw a little bit smaller than the yellow heart. And you're going to keep doing that for each color until you have all the layers or all the colors of hearts ready, from the biggest one from the back coming forward as we layer them to the smallest. Once you have all your hearts, you can glue them all together. I just used school glue. Once the glue is all dry, you have the ability to write a Bible verse on each heart all the way around, or you could just write the location of verses on each heart to remind you that when you love God with all your heart, with all your soul, with all your mind, and with all your strength, it fills you and allows you to love more and more and more and more and more people. Your neighbor, others, your enemies, one another, and so on and so on and so on. There's just not enough paper to capture or contain the amount of love God has for you.